Hi everybody and Happy New Year. My name is Troy Hawes and welcome to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Hey, if you watch my guitar tutorials and covers, you'll know that for many of them I use a Takamine EF341SC. It's a great guitar. It's been a real workhorse guitar for me, Japanese made. And I've loved the Takamine guitars for many years. So much so that I've had two of them on order now for some time. One I don't expect for full year, believe it or not. They are ordered it about 6 months ago, and they're manufacturing it at the plant in Japan. I don't expect to see it until sometime this summer. But one did arrive here just in time for the Christmas holiday, and it is my Takamine TDP181AC. So I thought what I would do is kind of an unboxing and an unveiling of it. It's a beautiful guitar according to the picture, but in the details, but I've actually never seen this guitar in person. So let's have a closer look and unbox it now and see what we come up with. All right, let's have a closer look at it. Of course, I had to open up the box at my local post office to make sure there was indeed a guitar in there, but that's as far as I've gotten. Let's have a look here. Of course, it comes in the guitar case. That's great. Pull it out. All right, let's get this plastic off of it. All right, now that it's out of the box, let's have a closer look at it. Hopefully it got to me in one piece. Let's have a look. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, that is a beaut. Look at that beautiful guitar. So there it is. Very nice guitar. Love it. It's just got this great green color to it. Really nice. Let's just pull it out here a little bit. So it's a little bit of a thinner guitar as well. Not quite a thin line as they have available, but a little guitar that's a bit easier to hold, more like closer to the body of an electric, quite a bit smaller. And of course it has the Takamine, I guess they're called cool tube preamp. This is a little bit of an upgrade over the standard preamps that Takamine has. Let's put that back down there like that. Yeah, great looking guitar. Really nice color indeed. At any rate, there it is. Can't wait to get her plugged in and some new strings on it, adjust the neck if necessary, and start using it for a few of my tutorials. Yeah. Fantastic. Just a great looking guitar. There you have it. Thanks for tuning in to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. We'll see you soon.